Pwesto sa harapan. Ang pagpasok ng Twinklers.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like the diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Tanya, picture. Tanya, smile.
Hello there, little friends. May I know why you are here? Well then, come along. I shall take you to Guiding Star. She will show you the magic star. Guiding Star. These little girls are looking for the magic star. They wish to become little twinklers, and they wish if they become one.
Welcome, my little friends. This is the land of twinklers. But first, you must tell me why you want to become twinklers.
I want to be happy.
Galing.
I want to be good. I want to play. I want to make other people happy.
Stand before the magic star. It will tell you who you are. If you look at your face, you'll see truly a twinkler you will be.
Wow, I know a twinkle star. Wow, it's a star. Wow. I